Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today it's no backdrop, it's just some plain old wall because yeah, I am like working on like I want to save up for a new lens, some better lighting, like decent lighting, but like I don't have a monitor. I have to use a mirror behind my camera. Like we're kind of just really working what we got. So the goal is to definitely evolve here soon. So yeah, we just don't got no backdrop right now because that new one is tired. That's not what we're here to talk about today. We're here to talk about this wig from Celie hair. I plucked the hell out of it. It came really nice. I should take a picture of it before, but just know y'all, I plucked the mess out of it. And I don't know what's wrong with me lately. I can't bleach knots. I think I'm broken. I don't even know if y'all want me to tell y'all what I do because like I think it's just wrong. So I want to do bangs, right, but then I seen how good she was looking like this. So I think we just gonna install her today and then like tomorrow cut the bangs. So I can at least have relish in the middle part, you know, relish in the niceness of what this look like, you feel me? And then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and we gonna cut some bangs. But today we're gonna install. So before we go to installing, I feel like I'm going through. I'm breezing through this little intro today. Before we get started, I'm gonna show you what the package came with. It should be a, I need to stop talking from my side. It should be a FedEx, and you get a little card. Is it open? It opened. It came in this bag right here. I love when they do this. It helps me organize my wig so well. Like these bags are like grade A marketing. Like I don't know who came up with it, but it was a good idea. They gave me this cap, and this is a highlight of the package to me. I love getting different things in packages. It makes somebody stand out to me. And this one came out with a mirror. It has like Celie on it and it pops open. I don't want to show y'all my little setup, but it comes with a mirror. Isn't that cute? Can y'all blame me for wanting to wear this like this for a day? Because this looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. And you know how I tried that method before where you put your lace on and then you like get it off with your brain? Eyebrow razor. Yeah, you glue it on and you take off the excess lace with your eyebrow razor. Part of me wants to do that right now because of how good this looks, and like, but I'm scared. Like I'm scared because like I don't want to I don't want to make it look bad. Whenever I try to step outside the box and do something different, like it don't be looking good. So I don't know, but part of me feels like that's what I want to do right now. I'm scared. I'm scared a lot. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and like really sew that in with this silk scarf. I'm just put it on over top of everything. Like I say, y'all, I ain't never did this before. I mean, and I did do it the one time, but it just wasn't cute. It didn't look good. So we're hoping that this is like the redeemer. You feel me? Yeah. So I will be back in like 5 minutes. Well, like no time for y'all, but like I'll be back in 5 minutes, and I'm gonna let this sit for a second. And then I'm gonna come back and go ahead and take it off. So it's been about like 5-ish minutes, whatever. I'm gonna take it off now. If it worked, it worked. If it didn't work, it didn't. I know somebody's gonna ask. Let me stop to say this real quick before anybody. Don't comment this in my video. In the comments, I'm gonna get mad. I'm not gonna get mad, but I'm not gonna answer for sure. The lashes I have on are Velux by IMV. Real Meek. This is the packaging. It comes in the style Peach Echo. I just wanna make sure I said that before I forgot, so nobody asks me. That's what it is.
To 6 days later.
So it's now been, I did this hair on, how many days has it been? Oh my god, my whole shit's fucked up. I did my hair on Friday. I did my hair on Friday. It has been Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today's Wednesday. It's been 5 days I've had this hair in my head. And I suck, so I was being supposed to put these bangs in. But like, we're here now. Whatever. I'm gonna do it. I don't have any lashes on because I just wanted to like be able to cut freely. I don't have any gloss on. My lips probably look a little weird because I just want to be able to cut freely without it. Y'all know I don't like hair on my face. I don't like nothing sticking to me when I don't want it to stick to me. And also, it's hot as the fuck in my room. I don't know why. It's like, then these lights are on me and we're just gonna cut some bangs. And we're gonna like deal with what we've been, you know, put in this position with. So I'm just gonna like, I know all this has been like kind of cemented by gotta be, so just ignore that. We already got a whole little bang situation happening. I'm just gonna leave the baby here, there. We're just gonna do this. I don't really have like a this isn't gonna be a tutorial. I just want y'all to know there's gonna be, watch me do some bangs. It might fail, it might not, I don't know. Ooh, this might be kind of cute. I might just cut cross like low right here. You feel me? We just gonna I did that for a starting place, and now I'm just gonna like, yeah, this is what I be seeing people do, you feel me? So we just gonna do what they be doing. Now I'm gonna bump it so I can see what I'm working with. Ooh, y'all was thinking, I was thinking, 'cause people always be like, you can wear any hairstyle. Y'all, I think I want to make a mullet wig. Because y'all always tell me I can rock any hairstyle, and that might not be true, because like, what if I can't rock this mullet? But if I can rock the mullet, y'all, we can officially say I can rock any hairstyle. So what do y'all think? Y'all think I should do a mullet? Okay, so now I think I'm about finished. I'm not through yet. Maybe I gotta put on some lashes to like really seal the deal and put on some gloss. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back, and then, you know, we'll see how I feel about the final look. We'll give my final thoughts on it. Alright, so here's the final look. I got on my lashes, I got on my gloss. I didn't like it at first. I'm gonna be real with y'all. But now that I put on my lashes and I got my lips on, like, I feel like a bad bitch. This was inspired by me from 2018, the beginning of the year, January. I'll insert a picture over here of what I was looking like. I wanted to redo it after I saw also this right here that somebody on Instagram came on my like explore page, and I saw that and I was like, wow, I need to do bangs. I need to bang. So this is a perfect fall ready bang look. Like, there's nothing that screams fall but like long hair, bangs, sweaters, leaves. Let me know in the comment section where you want to see it. In my last video I did an affordable ponytail. I might start doing fall human hair looks, and then I also want to bring back my synthetic wigs, you know, a little bit of everything. So more, get ready for these coming. I do plan on doing a vlog here soon when I get a life and, you know, I have something to do. I will definitely bring you guys along for it because I don't do nothing but be in my house. So, you know, you keep begging me to vlog, but if I vlog, then it's gonna be like, hey guys, I just woke up. Hey guys, I just edited this video. Hey guys, I got some food. Hey guys, I'm about to go smoke. That's about to be the extent of the video. So maybe if you want to see that, let me know. Let me know something. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching this far, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful. I'm so in love.